regarding mock test portal, whether the institute will release the mock test portal or directly it will conduct the model examination.
See, first of all, there were no mock test or model test when we were studying. Now people are very much interested in mock test, right? So
Yes,
mock test this time will be conducted by the same service provider who is going to conduct the original examination. We have made it very clear. It is not
yes,
like a Pappan conducting, then Sanget by service provider conducting something else, or Sanget Pandit conducting mock test, Pappan as a service provider. वो नहीं है. So mock test is going to be there, and discussions are on where Pappan Bhai has no role. Whatever we have suggested, that examination department is taking up with this thing, mock test will be conducted. And to my knowledge, despite being the holidays, to my knowledge, studies department and examination department are working. Even today afternoon, I checked up, like I have come to the mock test will be conducted. And to my knowledge, today afternoon also I have checked up, almost 3 different sets of this thing has already been prepared, and it will be provided to the service provider. Service provider from their platform itself, they will do it. So when it will come, I also don't know, because if I tell some date, then students will tell Pappan bhai ऐसा बोला, वो सभी टाइम झूठी बोल रहा है, he is a liar, he always tells lies. तो मेरे को छोड़ दो, मैं अभी कुछ डेट नहीं बताऊंगा, कुछ डे नहीं बताऊंगा. डे शायद बता सकता हूँ, क्योंकि डे कैन कम एनी टाइम, रिपीटेड. डेट नहीं बोलूंगा, मगर होगा. Mock test will come, and finally model examination will be there, and you will get a chance to practice also, because then only you will know that the pattern, na, what I am telling, that
Yes, sir.
pattern, it is, I am only telling, and students are telling when the notification will come, sir. अरे पैटर्न के लिए कुछ नोटिफिकेशन नहीं आएगा. आप लोग ये नोटिफिकेशन क्या है आप लोग नहीं समझते हैं, इंफॉर्मेशन क्या है आप लोग नहीं समझते हैं. आई कैन गिव इंफॉर्मेशन, इंस्टीट्यूट इफ हैज टू गिव, इट शुड गिव नोटिफिकेशन, मगर पैटर्न के लिए कुछ नोटिफिकेशन कुछ नहीं आएगा. What portions you have to study, which act you have to study to answer which law paper or this or that, that only they will give.
yes,
And
sir.
mock test when you get, there you will know the pattern. For that you don't expect a notification. I don't want Pappan to share. I want institute notification. nahi aayega.
Yes,
Now
okay.
that I have told nahi aayega, if institute brings notification, enjoy. I am sharing what I know, because
Yes.
आप लोग क्या समझ रहे हैं हर चीज. when you become this thing, you will understand the difference between information and notification. And जो mock test आपके हाथ में आएगा, that is the information. What is that we have to do? That is one idea. ऐसा होगा करके, ऐसा ही होगा नहीं है. More or less 99.99% this will be the pattern करके आएगा आपके सामने. ठीक है, वो
Yes,
तो
sir. Yes.
this is one thing. But
Yes, sir.
schedule, this way, that way, this thing, that will come in the form of notification. Okay, that is called notification. जो date आता है, exam schedule आता है, mode of examination आता है, या जो भी आता है, वो notification बोलेंगे. ये जो pattern, mock test, this thing, what Sanget bhai is asking, because he asked me, I am telling, if you want, you can trust us, you will get. But notification, I don't think, my dear children, इसके लिए नोटिफिकेशन कुछ नहीं आएगा, मगर डेफिनेटली यू विल गेट. एंड सम ऑफ यू हैव सजेस्टेड दैट पीडीएफ एंड ऑल वी डोंट वांट, वी वांट एक्चुअल ना, वो भी हम बता चुके हैं. शायद वो सर्विस प्रोवाइडर जैसा आप एग्जामिनेशन हॉल में एक्चुअली 8 से बैठेंगे ना, उसी तरह का
Yes.
वो जो आपके सामने मॉक टेस्ट के रूप में आएगा. ठीक है.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Okay,
Oh,
sir.
sorry,
Sir,
we have to tell in English na. Some people told me you are some people, Shashikant. Okay. Hope you understood.
Yes, sir.
There will not be any notification according to me, but you will definitely get some information. This is the information which I am giving on behalf of our team. President Biswarup Dada openly told in the examination committee very clearly that Pappan Bhai is permitted to convey this to the children in his own style.
Yes.
So any student, if you are worried that why Pappan is coming, what to do? I will come, because some students are unhappy in seeing me or listening to me, but the majority of the students are happy, and they will find some mistake in what I am telling. They will fire me. So you are anyway benefited na, by your Pappan Bhai coming. You get some information, and you also get a chance to enjoy making fun of your Pappan Bhai and the gali dene ke liye. ठीक है, but I will come. So